Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel SYH Capital. So today's video is about weekly series that we were doing. So आज हम देखेंगे हमारे इंडाइसेस कैसे कर रहे हैं और हम नेक्स्ट वीक क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं मार्केट में. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So coming to the Nifty, as we can see, Nifty is trading around 23,000, 24,000 levels, and we can expect a good upside move for the week because Reliance have posted $1 billion net profit for this year, and which is a very huge number, and it's a very commendable milestone for an Indian company to achieve that. तो रिलायंस ने काफ़ी अच्छे रिजल्ट्स पोस्ट किए हैं विच विल पुश इवेंचुअली निफ्टी ऑन द अपसाइड. अगर आप देखो तो निफ्टी इज समवेयर ट्रेडिंग अराउंड व्हाट यू से somewhere trading around 38% का retracement. So the support level is around 23,700 to 23,800, and we can expect a upside of 24,000, 24,900 to 25,000 ka levels. This is the level which we're gonna look for the next week. On slow steady, it's a 2 week target kind of a thing. And on the downside, if this level 23,700 doesn't hold, then the gap will be filled, and that gap will be 23,200. But there's very high chance that this gap will not be filled right now because Reliance have posted and a lot of good sentiment is around the week. Or US UK markets are also close positive during the end of the week. तो काफ़ी पॉजिटिव सेंटिमेंट है अक्रॉस द ग्लोब इन टर्म्स ऑफ मार्केट्स. तो अभी निफ्टी इज लुकिंग क्वाइट स्ट्रॉन्ग. कमिंग टू द डेली चार्ट, इट्स मेकिंग अ डोजी. So all of the selling pressure has been paused for a while, and the target for 24,800, 24,700 is open now. If we come to the weekly chart, the same thing, 24,400, 24,700 are the levels where the supply is. If we are able to cross it, then we can easily able to surpass the 25,000, and 25,500 will be the targets for the next weeks. Currently, it's look quite strong. The consolidation and the profit booking which we are expecting last to last week has happened in a lot of stocks. You must have also felt that. Coming to बैंक निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी ने एक डोजी बनाया है डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे विच अगेन शोज अ पॉज ऑफ द सेलिंग प्रेशर. Weekly time frame पे it's a continuation kind of a setup, but considering this big huge bullish candle of 8% which covers all the selling pressure on the downside, so I think this is a trend which will eventually gonna hold and keep the bank nifty moving towards all time high. And coming to the bank nifty, so this is the level which bank nifty should hold because it's a 38% retracement, exactly at 54,500 or 600 levels. And if it not able to hold, then 52,900, 53,000 is the level which is on the downside. So it's around 2,000 point down move available on the screen. But if it's able to hold, which it should eventually gonna hold, as far as things are going and results are coming positive for the banks and the major companies of Nifty 50. So I think it will eventually gonna it will eventually gonna try to inch up towards 57,300, 57,500. So we can see that in Bank Nifty as well. I think the profit booking has been already factored in. Now coming to the gold, as we can see, gold is doing quite well in terms of sustaining. As we in the last video we have discussed that gold is doing better than silver, but and it's also done a decent correction now. If you can see, a correction has been already done in gold vis silver. So coming on the weekly time frame, gold looks quite positive. Just after a big move, there's a lot of consolidation which happens. So that is where the gold is struggling around. अगर आप वो बात करोगे तो gold has made a very good setup where what uh, if we look at the gold has tried to broke this low. A lot of sellers are trapped in this move, and if gold is retracing, then there is likely a lot of people who have shorted here will eventually gonna cover their shorts. So gold can for the next week can go up to 1,54,000, 1,55,000, and also 1,58,000 are the upper level for the next week. So this is the scenario in gold. Gold look quite from sideways to a bullish point of view we can see in gold. So that's for the gold. Coming to silver, silver as we can see, uh, if you see the chart, it's above the moving average, trying to continue the pattern on the upside. Closed very positive for the last trading session. Closed above a very important level of 2,50,000. It has holded, but I think it's a trap because if you see, silver is in a symmetrical triangle pattern. It's usually a continuation pattern, so we can expect this kind of a move in silver for the next week. तो अभी मेरे को लगता है कि सिल्वर विल नॉट able to do what people are thinking, and it might be a trap कि यहाँ से एक अच्छा ब्रेकआउट दे एंड देन अराउंड 26,500 26,700 पर एक रेजिस्टेंस लेके इट विल फॉल, एंड देन इक्विटी मार्केट इवेंचुअली गोना डू मच बेटर जब वहाँ से पैसा निकलेगा. So gold and silver are sideways to slightly bullish for the next week, but eventually a profit booking should be seen after that. So that is for the gold and silver. Coming to Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Coming to the Bitcoin, we are maintaining a bullish stance on Bitcoin since it was trading around 71,000 levels. Currently, it is trading at 78,000 level. We are expecting the levels to touch 84,000. I was expecting it to come much sooner, but what happened because of the its volatile nature, I thought it will be come within 2 3 weeks, but it's taking much longer. But it's a very good news that it is taking much longer than expected, because if the instrument is taking much longer to achieve the target, then it might be planning for a much bigger move than what we are expecting. So we can expect that the first target is 85, 84,000, 85,000. That is the first target. So here we are looking T1, and the same thing we are looking here, uh, and that will be a T2 target on the Bitcoin. The levels will be around 86,000 levels. So these are the levels we are marking today, and I'm expecting it to achieve by next 1 month. So it's a swing trade, but the probability of Bitcoin touching 84, 85,000 is almost 85%. Looking at the charts and looking at the overall setup, and looking at the this uh, big cup and handle pattern and retest and a up move. So this is what I am looking at. So Bitcoin, I'm still maintaining a buy stance. Coming to the gold and silver, it is sideways. Coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty, equity markets across the globes are doing very well. So Nifty and Bank Nifty can also gonna perform very well. It's a very high probability chance because Reliance have posted such a good number, and a lot of good companies which are part of Nifty 50 are doing very good in terms of the profitability and the numbers which are they coming with. So काफी अच्छा वीक रह सकता है नेक्स्ट वीक, एंड according to seasonality analysis, May, April, May, June, July, until August, the what do you say, the month on month returns of the markets are always greener. So I think we should be maintaining a good buying approach towards the stocks, and we should be buying the stocks which are good for long term. And that is for this video. So do like the video, subscribe to our channel, comment down your thoughts, what you think about the Nifty and Bank Nifty approach. And if you want any other video related to any other topic, do let me know. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys